Ever stood in a shop, staring at two deals, thinking, which one's actually better? That's a Best Buy question. And it shows up in nearly every GCSE math paper. Today, we'll break it down. You'll learn the method, dodge the common traps, and tackle a challenge question at the end. Let's make sure you never fall for a dodgy deal again. So many ideas in maths relate to a basic truism. If you want to find the value of many, find the value of one. It's fractions, ratio, scale, proportion, and philosophy. We've spoken about the importance of mindset in maths, and in any learning or endeavor to improve yourself, knowledge, material, spiritual, whatever you seek. Understanding the relationship between differently named strands of maths is important. It helps with both understanding and retention. The calculation will often simply require dividing or multiplying by an amount. If 1 egg costs 18 pence, how much for 10 eggs? Multiply by 10, no issues. If 1 dozen eggs cost £2.16 pence, divide by 12. That's 11.5 pence per egg. This is the basis of a Best Buy question. Notice, if it was scale and you were told the scale was 1 to 18, then 10 centimeters would be what? If you were told to work out 1/12 of $210, would you not be doing the same thing? The calculations are the same. Because the principle is the same, but because we split them into discrete units, we miss the overlap. You can narrow the majority of your curriculum. Foundation GCSE, IGCSE, functional skills. All maths comes down to the 4 operators. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide. The only question is, which one am I doing, and why? In an exam, take the time to rationally check this. Best Buy is a guaranteed topic in your GCSE Foundation Maths paper. It's all about comparing value. How much you get for your money. The easiest way is the unit cost method. Take the price, divide it by the quantity. Let's try it. Example 1. Pack A. £3 for 6 cans, that's 50 pence per can. Pack B. £4 for 8 cans, also 50 pence per can. Pack C. £5 for 10 cans, still 50 pence per can. Just like 3/6 equals 4/8 equals 5/10 equals 0.50. Example 2. Toilet rolls. Pack A. £2.40 for 4 rolls. Pack B. £3.75 for 6 rolls. Let's do the maths. £2.40 divided by 4 equals 60 pence per roll. £3.75 divided by 6 equals about 62.5 pence per roll. Packer wins as it is cheaper per roll. Example 3. Try to work in tandem with me. Rice. Pack A. 750 grams for £1.50. Pack B. 2 kilograms for £3.60. Remember, 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Therefore, 750 grams divided by 1,000 gives us 0.75 kilograms. £1.50 divided by 0.75 gives me 2, that is 2 pounds per kilogram. £3.60 divided by 2 gives us £1.80 per kilogram. Pack B wins as it has the smaller unit cost. Always standardize your units before comparing, and be prepared to clearly state the reason for your choice. Don't assume the working out speaks for itself. It is a tool to support your findings. Now let's talk about the sneaky stuff. Examiners love curveballs. They are checking understanding. I always say, understanding before memorizing and you will succeed in maths. Multiply deals are one ways to check this understanding. 3 for £2.40 versus 5 for £3.75. Or offers with free items like 98 pence for 1 or buy 2, get 1 half price. And don't forget confusing units, milliliters versus liters, grams versus kilograms. Your job is to convert everything to the same unit. Then compare. All right, time for your challenge. Which is the better deal? Option A, 98 pence for 1 or buy 2, get 1 half price. Option B, 5 for £3.75. Option C, 3 for £2.40. Pause the video and give it a go. Don't worry, I'll wait. Did you do it? That was a little fast, I don't know. Okay then, let's work it out. Option A, 98 pence times 2 plus 49 pence, divided by 3 equals 81.66 pence, rounded to 82 pence per item. Option B, £3.75 divided by 5 equals 75 pence per item. Option C, £2.40 divided by 3 equals 80 pence per item. Option B wins with the cheaper cost per item. Whatever it happens to be, notice we didn't say because it's the same calculation whether it is a can of pop or Big Ben. Simple maths. Big impact. Let's recap. Best buy questions are all about value. Use the unit cost method. Price divided by quantity equals unit cost. Lowest cost wins. You can take this knowledge into the market and start getting those bargains. Utilizing your maths in a conscious way helps with understanding and retention. This is a fundamental part of maths and life. Beyond the market, you'll be choosing contracts, insurance, savings, energy tariffs, holiday offers, and online subscriptions. That's maths, brah. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out our playlist of quirky maths hacks. I am dozen, they say it's cheaper that way.